Alright guys, so it's Friday. We're just getting prepared right now. We are throwing the front part of the camera mount on the car. We're probably going to keep this on all of race week so we can quickly take the actual camera and arm off of the setup so we don't have to do this every time. But yeah, we have Uncle Chet unloaded. We're unloaded. We'll probably drop the trailer at the drag strip later today. If not today, probably tomorrow. But yeah, we're just setting ourselves up, and I think we're going to be filming a little bit later with Uncle Chet. He has a cool project he's going to have us help out with, so we're just going to dial this in, do a couple test rips down the street, and then we should be good to go as we prepare for the remainder of race week. So tomorrow is the first day, obviously. The drag strip's about 5 miles down the street. After that, we have a drive day to Pueblo, Colorado, and gonna be some cool shots along the way. So we're just gonna set this up, do a couple test rips, and get it going. Didn't even think once to pull that car off and drive to the gas station.
Luckily,
we're towing a car that's full of fuel.
You could have
Just borderline 0 IQ between the three of us. It's just absolutely
maybe
ridiculous.
10 between the three.
10, yeah. After
10
drive,
IQs between the three of us.
Yeah, no, this is not good.
Divide it up.
Not good at all.
Someone's short. Who's short?
Me.
Did you guys already?
I'll take
If you're gonna own it, I mean,
take
let's go,
it.
bro. Hey.
All right, so we're here at SRCA, the drag strip here in Great Bend, and we're just going to capture a few of the shots that we want to get to kind of establish the event. And people are just starting to pull in their trucks and trailers and their drag cars and stuff like that. So we're going to get some cool shots of that to set the scene. But luckily, this rig only takes about 10 minutes to set up, so I think it'll be pretty cool to start off the week right, get a few clips with the cam car, make sure we have all the pieces, and go to bed knowing that we have the full setup ready to go for the rest of the week. I love this place. We're running into so many friends already, and it's just super good vibe already. So I'm just gonna keep spinning this thing. Wow. Just got our first shots on a smooth road. I can't even look at it, dude. I'm gonna feel sick again. I'm gonna feel sick. It is so good. We were already excited for race week, and I think it's starting to feel so real now that we actually just did a quick test shot with Cheyenne, and it just looks so good. We cannot wait to put this all together. But drivers are showing up. We're all at this square, so we've seen a bunch of different race week cars right now. But yeah, we're just gonna have a good night, wait for all the other racers to come. And tomorrow's race day, so we have check-in at 8. And yeah, I don't know what I'm saying. I don't even know. Check out the car. Just check the car out.